Today, you're going to learn everything you need to know about how to do a side or a lateral lunge with a row. After this workout, you're going to notice that you're actually able to build and increase your stamina and your endurance. You're also going to notice that you're able to do better with your cardio workouts as well. And this is also going to help you with balanced workouts because we're going to be moving on one leg at a time. I love this exercise, so let's get into it. So with a lateral lunge, first we want to start off with our feet wide. And the leg that I am lunging to, which for me is my right leg, instead of having that foot facing forward, I want to turn my foot out to about 1 o'clock. You'll notice that it's easier on your knee compared to forward. When you do forward, you're going to notice it restricts your movement. So again, instead of having your foot forward, turn it out a little bit. You're going to shift your weight to that right hip, hinging slightly. Hinging means just to push your hips back. So think about pushing your hips back to that wall. Lower your chest. Roll your shoulders back. Not here. Here. Drop your weights and then pull your weights. Elbows in. Release. And again. And rest. Here are your tips. The leg that's not being used, well, it's being used, but it's not really the active leg. I want to have this leg straight. If you're bending at the knee, you're going to notice your knee is going to feel strained. So do have this leg straight. You can even roll to your heels as you shift down. You'll notice like your body flows better. See how I bring my foot up as I come up and then I come back up, foot being back on the floor for balance. So your key with this movement is to make sure you bend at your knee. Turn your toe out a little bit. See if that feels more comfortable for you. From there, sit those hips as low as you can. Lean forward with a neutral spine or a neutral back. And then from there, pull your weights, elbows tucked in. So that's how you do your lateral lunge with your row. And I'll see you on the next video.